Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to pack our first Etsy order for the new year. It is a little after 5 in the morning, so I have to hurry up, pack the order, get ready for work, some school, and then today is also Three Kings Day. So we got a lot going on, let's get started. For this order, they ordered 60 stickers of my thank you stickers, and I'm also going to be including some free samples that I have. I currently am working on these. I already have these and these here, which are the same thing, just different colors. I'm going to use one of my rigid solid white envelopes to put them in, and then I'm going to put them in a little baggie to protect them with the order sheet, and then I usually handwrite a message right here, and then we're going to take it to the post office. So the order is all set or packaged up. I won't show you the other side because it's got the shipping label on it, but these are the envelopes that I mostly use. Sometimes I tend to use these ones and I include something to kind of keep them protected, but because of the size of the stickers, I'd rather use this one. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.